Righto, welcome back to the channel. So we've just got back out the drag, set up, I've gone and got scrutineering done, and we've had some very, very important upgrades done that are majorly the best thing ever in a drag car, and that is our cup holders. So, oh, my light died. Hold on, let's see if the other one works. There we go. Armrests with cup holders. So they had to be installed. That's just a given. Other things we've got fixed up. I put a tail shaft loop in. It's not the best, but it's there. After looking at that footage, oh my gosh, that tail shaft and that rear dips bounce around. So we're going to have to put some tramp rod zip sorts in. They'll be homemade, of course, because we're on a budget. But, so I've got the oil pressure gauge. It's working properly now. And, really trick, we've put in the tacho in the right spot. So, if you have a look in here, here's our tacho. Oh, where's the camera? This way. We've got a tacho there. And just up in the top corner, right there, that little dot, that is our shift light. It's really cool. Problem is, steering wheel's on the road, so I've got to have it tilted up like I'm a bus driver for it to work properly. So, we're going to start our little practice sessions. We're very, very close to our 13. I've got the clamps on the leading edge of the spring, so hopefully that stops axle tramp as well. So between that and we did try and adjust the pinion angle, not certain that did much. Still don't have a power steering pump, we're just running without this weekend. This is just a throw-in weekend, we weren't actually planning on entering. So we're here, we're running. Let's see what sort of stuff we can achieve. So, we're rocking a new mount for the phone. Hopefully it doesn't do as many of the weird vibration things, but it is also got a zip tie around to hold it in because it did wobble. So we'll see how that goes. Also, I've got a mic, so hopefully the volume is better and you can actually hear me. So we're upgrading things. Armrest is coming in handy with all this waiting. So test and tune started at 6 o'clock. It's now 7:30 and I'm 4 cars from the line. So yeah, we can't rush these things, you know. There's a bit of an issue with the timing lights. They weren't doing the sequence properly. Took them half an hour to get that sorted, and yeah, there's a fair few people here this weekend. There's a national round. We've entered the Troopy in a national round. So yeah, we're going for it. Like, so tonight qualifying, it'll go for as long as people keep lining up. Practice. Tomorrow you do 3 rounds of quali, and then you have the elimination rounds after that. See, it's national round, that's the way it is. There's none of this Chicago shootout, 3 goes racing, whoever gets best. No, elimination. You don't win, you lose. You're out. You're at the bar. Either way, be a good day. So, what we're going to have to do though is fix up our brakes, because I found that the vacuum brake, like the whole Troopy version of the brake thingy, what do you call it? Vacuum booster. Yeah, there's not enough vacuum. So with the diesel, it still has the whole diesel braking system in it. So the diesel has a pump to pump it, whereas now I'm running on just your vacuum created by the engine. So I was looking on one of those weird sites and I found some little cheapy vacuum pumps meant to make 20 something UGHT, meant to make 28 something vacuums anyway, which is more than I think I'm at 10 or 12 now. So I could tee it in with some little PCVs, like your non-return valves. So that way I've always got engine vacuum, and then when you put your foot on the brake, it turns on the vacuum booster pump, which would then give me 28 extra vacuum. So hopefully I have brakes, especially at the staging, because I find that with the line locky thingy, I don't know if I showed you that. I'll show you that later. With the line lock button that I put on, it's it'll hold sometimes, it won't others. It's obviously because I haven't,
just the way the vacuum's going when I go up to the line. You have one good chance of putting your foot on the brake, and then after that, you've lost your vacuum out of it, and yeah, just pushing the foot through the wall, and you pull on the steering wheel and make it go in harder. I don't know if you've been down that road, but that's my life in this thing. We're down on K's. Everything's falling down. Everything fell out of the glove box. The GoPro that was on the roof fell off the roof. Woo! That was a bit of fun. That actually wasn't too bad. 054 on the tree. That was a guy. Alright, let's go have a look at our time slips. On the tree, terrible. Out in the restaurant, holy tree. Way too many revs off the line. Way too many revs. Anyways, yeah, blew the tyres off on the line. Anyways, let's get back there and have another look at everything.
Aussie dug out there in the 5.7 litre 350 is giving into small block of Second Troopy, front by IMIS, up against the Commodore, the beautiful Landrcruiser Commodore into the open tyres lane.
Alright, back in line. Let's run through this time slip again. Alright, so I'll put it up here so it's in the light. Too much shadow. Alright, so did the PB, a really good tree. It was a 024 on the tree, and a 199 to the 60 foot, and a 581 to the 330. After that, we got slower and slower. So we only ran a 14 to 80 at 92 mile an hour. So I'm 2 and a bit mile an hour slower over the line. Like, we have pulled a bit of fueling out of the carby. Just wondering if it's a bit much. So we'll give it one more go, and we may need to just give it just a smidgy more fuel, I reckon. But outside of that, it's pretty good. We're not too far off. So I could probably pull the bull bar off and lose some weight, but it's aesthetics now. I don't know. It cost me extra money to downgrade from the steel to the alloy. So now we're just stuck with what we got, I guess. Oh, realize. Awesome. Actually, it feels too bad in back off that one. Did give a little bit more on the rev in the third. I might short shift it around before. He's down in front of me. Off you go, bud. Alrighty, let's head back and have a look at it all.
Sponsored run for a 9, 407 123. Aussie Jug in the Super Cruiser 14, 239 at 94.
Right, going back up for another run. What we've done is went the other way with the timing. We've gone from, we had the 36 initially, we went to 38, now we're back to just over 34. Might be like 34 and a half somewhere. And I put a new plug in it. So that one new plug will let a good read on it, and so there we go. So I'll shut it down as soon as I go over the line and roll back as far as I can. Like right now I'm going to shut it down too so I don't foul it too much. Yeah, so we'll do that. Hopefully we'll find out what it's doing. I'm actually thinking it might need a little smidgy more fuel if anything. I forgot to go through my time slip. But it was a 2.0 something to 60 foot. I lost a heap of time in the front half, back half well. 94 mile an hour, 14.2 something, 14.23. I don't know, it says it here. But no, I can't remember. Anyways, you can read it. It's there. Hopefully I remember to read the next one. Hopefully the next one's great. I'm like, yeah. Troopy's doing good though. It's driven really well. So I have found a Turbo 400 I'd like to get my hands on. Wouldn't be a manual anymore, which is something. But as I was saying, I wanted that longer clutch fork because my back leg issue I've got going on. That's money. It's money. Anyways, we'll see you in burnout box. Got to hit record. Missed the burnout, sorry. That's pretty good, actually. That was really good. Alright, let's see how we go. I think I need to put the other set of axle clamps on. I think we're only getting the spring clamps on. I think we're getting a bit much shudder. And then we'll sort that out. Fix him up.
Alright, it looks like it's really done for Carl Dixon in the XF4 with a Barra. Up against Aussie Doug in the 5.7 litre Chevy Power Super Cruiser. He's from IMIS. And if you want to sponsor Carl and this epic beast, I'm sure we won't say no to any sponsorship you can give him. An 895 and 155. Aussie Jug a 14.093 at 94. He wants to crack that.
Okay, let's have a look. So, oh, so live.
Oh. So, 198 to the 60 foot, 579 to the 330, 896 to the 8th, the 14093 at 94.8 mile an hour. Ah, this close. This very close. Anyways, we'll see if we need to fix anything, and we'll have another go. Righto, so I put another set of clamps. So we've now got 2 sets of clamps on the springs, because I just had a bit of action cramp there again on that burnout badly. You probably felt the shudder. And then I pulled the other seat out. This seat's gone, that seat's gone. Look, if I get another 14.0, I'll pull bull bar off. We're going to do it. Because if I can have a 13 second troopy for all day during the national races, national drags, I'm going to have a 13 second troop. Probably won't, because it's going to be 30 something degrees tomorrow, ridiculously hot, and I'll be back running 14.1. But anyways, alright, let's have a go at this, then we'll come back and go again.
Back notes on the 6-litre L77 Commodore sponsored by Brisbane, Albany Creek. Up against Aussie Dark in the 5.7-litre 350, giving it to small block. IMIS sponsored Super Troopster.
That's 6200 too. I missed 4th horrendously. I still have 4th. That's a bonus. I'm gonna go just hot lap it straight back and go again. That was a pretty good run up until missing 4th.
On 14-0, 14-0, 14-0. Tonight he wants to crack that 13.99. And an 886.5 trash for Dougie. And a 14.280 at 78 for Doug. A little bit off his line there. Matty Cote, 12, 118 at 111.
So I just hot lapped. So whatever my time slip says, over here, wherever it is, you can read it. I don't know. So I'm going straight up. Put my window up. They're about to close down for the night, and it's only just before 10. So yeah, just gotta keep it going. But like, I was going to pull the bull bar off, but I don't think I have time.
Right away, Aussie Doug in the Super Troopster, 5.7 litre. Cruiser Troopy.
No! No! That's terrible flight! Oh! Oh! Backed up really well! I don't know. It's going to be so close. That is going to be close. Oh. Have I done it? Oh, I don't know. Way too hot on the line. Oh. Let's go see.
And I see reaction from Aussie Doug. He runs through a 13.88. He got his 13. 13.88 at 96. I don't know what he does. Picked the gear a little bit earlier, but a big difference went from 14.08, 13.88.
Covered the bottom. So I don't know what it says on the bottom yet. All right, so 1964.60 foot. That's 0.01 better and a bit. So 5705 to the 330, 8888 to the 330. I mean to the 8th mile. That's a 10th up to the 8th. Righto, let's scroll on down. Oh, I can see 96 mile an hour. 13,880. Oh my God. 13,880. We've got it. We've got our 13 second troopy. Oh. We have our 13 second troopy. That is it. That is guaranteed 13 seconds. That is not just a little bit 13. We have our 13. We've got it. Woo! Righto. So, as I said always, a once off isn't enough. But looking back on that other time slip from before, that 60 foot was better than the one I just did. And I thought that 60 foot I just did was pretty crap. So we're going to go right lane instead of left lane, because right lane's been working better for me. And we just got to have a crack. We're going to have another go. Last run. Last run for the night. Good. And let's have a go. We're going to be repeatable. We're going to be repeatable. That's all that matters. Oh, I don't know. That'll be close. I think it'll be very. I think we'll be similar. We're very, very similar. But that gear change was horrendous. Man, I felt the vibrations of the teeth coming off in my. No, not teeth coming off. Felt the vibrations of the teeth going in between each gear change. Get a bit too eager on it all.
And the 199 reaction. He runs through a 13.95 at 95 mile an hour. Sorry, 13.9. He has backed up that 13. 13.88 to a 13.95.
Let's run them way better. Like a couple of jet changes, our timing, we fix her up, and I think we're on the money. Like, I think we've got the old troopy where she needs to live. And I know we still got probably 20 odd litres of fuel in it too. So that's good. Yeah. Anyway. Oh, what an exciting end to this one. We're going to check this time slip. And, woo! Yeah! We got it! Yeah! Oh, I'm so excited about this. I don't know if you can tell. This has been like a mission
to get the 13. And this is like, it's like, oh, you just got a 13. Yeah. No, I got a 13 880. That's pretty damn impressive. Whew. I need tramp rods. I need those traction, what do you call it? Caltrax tramp rods, those things. Get rid of all the axle tramp, and I think we could be, who knows? But yeah, let's have a look and call it a night. So I'll run through this time slip, and that'll be the end of the day.
Righto, so guess what? We have backed it up. It is 196 to the 60 foot, which is pretty much the same as the last run, but we've gone a 13. Oh, I've got the wrong slip. We have gone a 13,950 at 95 mile an hour. So we've got our 13 second troopy. It's time to celebrate. So come along for the journey. I know I've got a bull bar on here still. Wait, but we've got a 13 with it. So we're just going to keep running it. Tomorrow's a national round. That'll be in the next video. But for today, drop some comments down about this thing. Like, we've had some fun. So, seeing we've got our 13 seconds, I still got a bull bar. This has been such a good time. I hope you've enjoyed this journey. We're going to make sure we continue in the next video tomorrow, racing the national round. And this thing, let's go for that gold trophy, that gold tree. It's going to be so fun. Anyway, thanks for watching. See you tomorrow. So what I have available are these Super Troopers shirts with Aussie Doug on the front. If you'd like one, I will have a pinned comment with a link to my Instagram and Facebook pages. Shoot me a message on there. Hit that notification bell. Alright, thanks for watching, and I'll see you very soon.